Okay, so for our topic today, we will be converting a standard equation into a general equation ng apat na conic section natin. Di ba meron tayong circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Pinag-isa ko na lang sila sa iisang video para makita natin yung comparison nila. Okay, so again, this topic is converting from standard form to general form. Okay, and dito rin madali nating ma-identify kung ano ba yung types of conic section na meron tayo. Okay, so for example, number 1, here I have x minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 16. Okay, so itong given equation natin na ito ay naka-standard form po siya. And since dalawa, yung exponent natin na may 2, ito, and this one, meaning to say our given equation is a circle. Di ba madaling ma-identify? Now, ilipat natin siya into a general form. Pag maglilipat tayo into a general form, gawin lang po natin itong FOIL method, x minus 1, then x minus 1, apply lang natin si FOIL method, plus y minus 2 multiply by y minus 2 is equal to 16. Simplify na po natin. So, x multiply by x, the answer here is x squared, followed by x multiply by negative 1 is negative x. Negative 1 multiply by x is negative x pa rin po. And negative 1 multiply by negative 1 is positive 1 tayo. Okay, then after that, punta ka naman kay y. Sa y, we have y multiply by y is y squared. Then y multiply by negative 2, we have negative 2y. Okay, negative 2 times y. Again, negative 2y pa rin po yan. And then lastly, negative 2 times negative 2, we have positive 4. And then yung 16, ilipat na po natin sa kabila. So, positive, pag minove sa kabila, that will become negative 16 na is equal to 0. And then, combine lang po natin yung similar term. We have x squared. Ito, negative x, and then negative x, we have negative 2x plus 1. Move ka naman sa y squared, minus negative 2y, negative 2y. So, that will become negative 4y plus 4 minus 16. So, that is equal to positive 12. Diba? Okay, so lagay natin si plus positive, negative, kasi negative 16 plus 4. So, negative 12 po yan is equal to 0. Okay, arrange na po natin, then i-combine pa natin yung mga similar terms. Siyempre, ang una po natin ay x squared, followed by y squared, ito po yun. Okay, minus 2x minus 4y, then may plus 1 ka pa dito, and then may negative 12 ka pa. So, that will become negative 11 is equal to 0. And this one class will be the general form of our equation. Ito na po yung kanyang general form. Okay, so tatandaan ha, tinuro naman to sa discussion ng circle kung paano mag-change from standard into a general equation. Okay, now we're done with circle. Punta naman tayo kay parabola. Paano ba mag-change ng standard form ng parabola into its general form? Okay, so here we have a given number 2, which is x minus 2 squared is equal to negative 12y plus 1. Okay, so ganito yung magiging equation natin. Kung mapapansin natin, isa lang yung equation or isa lang yung variable na may 2 na exponent. So, meaning to say, this given is a parabola. Okay, yun yung magiging identification mo, yun yung magiging clue. Now, since may squared yan, kung ano yung ginawa natin kay circle, same lang din kay parabola. So, gagawa ka lang ng dalawa, x minus 2 multiply by x minus 2, then use FOIL method. Okay, is equal to, ito isimplify na natin, negative 12 multiply by y, we have negative 12y, then negative 12 times positive 1, we have negative 12. Okay, bago natin i-transpose sa kabila, i-simplify muna natin tong x. So, x multiplied by x, we have x squared. X multiplied by negative 2, we have negative 2x. And then negative 2 times x, negative 2 pa rin po, negative 2x. And then negative 2 times negative 2, we have positive 4. Lipat na natin sa kabila itong mga nasa right side of our equality. Negative 12y, move on the other side, we have positive 12y. And then negative 12, move on the other side, magiging positive 12 na po is equal to 0. Okay, then ayusin na lang natin and combine natin yung mga similar terms natin. So here we have x squared followed by negative 2x minus 2x is negative 4x. Okay, plus 12y. Then may 4 po tayo dito. And then may 12. 12 plus 4, the answer here is positive 16. Is equal to 0. And ito na po yung magiging general form ng ating parabola. Okay, ganun lang po siya ka simple kapag isa-solve po natin. Okay, now, we're done with parabola. Punta naman po tayo kay ellipse. Okay, so sa ellipse, na-discuss siya doon sa ating um, recorded discussion. Pero para bigyan kayo ng mas madaling example, so here is an example of equation of ellipse. So x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. So, ito alam natin na ellipse. Bakit po ellipse yan? Kasi positive po yung kanyang operation. Therefore, this one is an ellipse type of equation. Now, para maging general form po ito, our step number 1 is to remove the denominator. Okay, how can we remove the denominator? We need to find the LCD of the two given denominator, yung 4 and yung 9 po natin. So, 4, dito yung 9. O, kunin natin yung kanilang least common denominator. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, okay, plus 4, 36, then 40. O, tignan naman po natin sa 9, 9, 18, 27, 36. So, parang nakita ko na. Okay, ano yung common nilang dalawa? Hindi naman po 4. 18, hindi rin naman. 27, hindi rin naman. 36. Okay, so yung 36 na yan, yung least common denominator nila, yan yung gagamitin nating pag-multiply doon sa both equality natin. Okay, so i-rewrite lang natin. Here we have x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 is equal to positive 1. So, multiply lang po natin both side by 36. And then, 36 din po dito. Okay? So, here, 36 multiplied by 1 is 36 divided by 4. Kapag dinivide na natin yan sa 4, we have 9, diba? So, ilalagay na natin si 9 dito sa taas. 9x squared. Plus, tignan naman natin dito sa kabila. 36 times 1, may 1 dito sa taas, divided by 9, 4 naman po yung sagot. So, dito lalagay natin si 4, y squared is equal to 1 times 36 is 36. Tapos, move na po natin sa kabila. Si 36, positive yan, that will become negative. So, that is 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 36 is equal to 0. At ito na po yung magiging general form ng ating ellipse. Same goes to hyperbola. Ganun lang din po kay hyperbola. Okay, kung paano natin ginawa si ellipse, uh, same lang si hyperbola. Yun nga lang kay hyperbola, negative yung magiging operation niya dito. Okay, so I'll give you an example kay hyperbola class. Okay, for hyperbola, number 4, give an example. Here we have x plus 4 squared over 9 minus y minus 5 squared over 4 is equal to 1. So, ganun pa rin. Alam naman natin na yung 9 and 4, ang LCD nila ay 36. So, we need to multiply this one, both of our equality, into 36. Okay, and here 36 din. Itong 36, pag dinivide natin sa 9, ang sagot ay 4. So, si 4, ilalagay ko lang siya dito. Then, ilagay natin yung kanyang numerator. X plus 4 squared. Okay? Minus, si 36 pag dinivide kay 4, may 9 na sagot dyan. Okay, then lagay mo na si y minus 5 squared is equal to 36. Since may squared po ito, ang kailangan natin gawin is e-expand po ulit bago i-multiply kay 4. Okay, so that will become 4 multiply by x plus 4 multiply by x plus 4. Okay, minus 9 multiply by y minus 5 multiply by y minus 5 is equal to 36. Then, simplify na po natin. Okay, x times x, the answer here is x squared. Okay, x times 4, 4x po tayo. And then, 4 times x is 4x ulit. While 4 times 4, we have positive 16. Okay, minus 9 multiplied by y times y, we have y squared. Y times negative 5, we have negative 5y. And then negative 5 times y, negative 5y pa rin po yan. And then negative 5 times negative 5, we have positive 25 is equal to 36. Bago natin i-distributive, bago tayo gagamit ng distributive property of multiplication, i-combine muna natin yung mga magkakaparehas na term. So, that is 4 multiplied by x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 9 multiplied by y squared minus negative 5, we have negative 10y plus 25 is equal to 36 na po tayo. Okay, and here, gagamit na tayo ng distributive property of equality. Multiply na po natin. So, 4 times x squared, we have 4x squared. 4 times 8x, we have 32x. And then, 4 multiply by 16, we have positive 64. Okay, kay 9 naman po tayo. Negative 9 times y squared, we have negative 9y squared. Negative 9 times negative 10y, we have positive 90y. And then last one, negative 9 times positive 25, we have negative 225. Then, lipat na po natin si 36. 36, move it on the other side. That will become negative 36 is equal to 0. Aayusin na lang natin para maging general form po yan. So, syempre, mauuna yung 4x squared followed by negative 9y squared followed by 36x. I mean 32, sorry, that is 32x. Okay, plus 90y, then i-combine na natin lahat ng ating constant numbers. So, negative 225, then negative 36, so pares na negative sila, magiging negative 261. And then positive yung 64, so i-minus lang po natin. We have negative 197 is equal to 0. At ito na po yung magiging general form ng ating hyperbola. Okay, so ito po ay hyperbola. Tatandaan ha, hyperbola po siya kapag ang ating operation sa gitna ay minus or negative. Okay, so that's it.